Sales exports are critical for understanding performance, but most platforms give you limited fields and almost no filtering options. Putler changes that. Drill down by date, country, order value, status, or even specific products, then export complete detailed sales data in seconds. For order or sales export, let's start with the sales dashboard. First, select your preferred date range and apply filters to narrow down the data. For example, if you want to know how many orders were placed from the US, just select United States in the location filter. If you want to dive into order details of a particular product, simply choose it from the product filter. You can also filter orders by their completion status, completed or refunded, or use the amount range to focus only on high-value orders. Once your list is ready, just click the export button on the top right and download it in CSV. The CSV includes every detail you need: order date, status, transaction ID, subscription ID, store name, customer details, currency, and more. With Putler, you can instantly review sales performance in Excel, share reports with your team, and make faster decisions without waiting on admins or accountants. With Putler, exporting is effortless and quick. It provides you with all the data you need at your fingertips. You no longer need to depend on your accountant or your store admin for the numbers. Log in and connect your store's businesses to Putler. Filter what matters, export in seconds, and put your data to work. Try Putler. One-click exports, smarter decisions.